Hello everyone, so today we are going to unbox Realme X7 5G. This comes with the latest Dimensity 800U 5G processor. So let's do the unboxing. Comes in two color variants, Space Silver and Nebula. This is the Space Silver variant. The phone supports 50-watt super dart charge. It comes with 64 megapixel AI triple camera, 4310 mAh massive battery, and it weighs just 176 grams. The phone has no headphone jack, so we get a converter in the box. The phone has 6.4-inch Super AMOLED full screen with in-display fingerprint sensor. It has 16 megapixel in-display selfie camera. We get a simple transparent case in the box. The phone comes in two variants, 6GB RAM, 128GB of storage and 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. It supports dual nano SIM. There is no option for any micro SD card slot. It has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 180Hz touch sampling rate. The screen to body ratio is 90.8% and has peak brightness of 600 nits. Comes with in-display fingerprint scanner and also supports face unlock. Primary sensor is a 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. These are few benchmark scores. This is on Antutu and this is on Geekbench. Now let's do the CPU throttling test. And now let's compare the benchmark scores with few other smartphones. Phone supports dual SIM, dual standby 5G. Phone charges from 0 to 100% in around 50 minutes. The phone runs on Realme UI. And this is the camera UI. The phone comes with a mono speaker and now you can hear the speaker output. These are few camera samples using the stock camera and also Gcam. The 6GB variant is priced at 19,999 and the 8GB variant is priced at 21,999. You can get it on Flipkart and realme.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.